lagging. He's jet lagging, but he's here.
Oh yeah, thank you. All right. Okay.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Miss Rachel Alejandro.
Thank you. Of course, we're not gonna say goodnight. We're not gonna say goodbye without singing this song. I guess you can call it kind of like my signature song because it was the very first song that I wrote along with my good friend Ding Dong Avanzado. Goes out to everybody who's ever had to say goodbye to someone they loved. Nais ko lang malaman mo ang laman ng aking puso, baka di na mabigyan ng ibang pagkakataon na sabihin ito sa'yo. Di ko ito ginusto na sa isa't isa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rachel Alejandro.
Mr. Nino Alejandro, thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Puppies. Of course, Mr. Big Ayesa. Thank you so much for chatting with us, buddy.
Thank you, everybody.
Dali nga, dali. Ano yan? Ano yan?
You won.
Wow.
All right.
Thank you so much. Again,
I hope you
for-
guys had a good time. Once again, thank you all to all the friends,
Yes,
to
definitely.
everybody, my family who came,
Thank you so much, you know,
for everyone who's been supporting us. I
Tito
hope
Haji, Lola, Len, thank you so much for
that,
being
thank
here.
you. Tita Girly.
Thank you so much. Of course, my wife, Michelle.